to my pet. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be unboxing Twice's Formula of Love, the file version. So let's get into it. Ooh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. This did not break away as easily as I thought. Okay. So let's open it. Let me check for stuff first. Okay, so here's the CD first. The front, back. Let me. Yeah. So let's get into the book. So here is the. Sorry. Trying to focus. So the back, front. Oh wow. Okay, hold on. Let me again focus just in case. Wow. Her in this outfit, stunning. Amazing. Mina and a red lip. Wow. Woo! In this outfit, her figure shows off so well. It's wow. I wish I could have that figure, honestly. Was that blurry? Sorry. Should I go back? I'm gonna go back just because I thought that was blurry. So. This is my favorite version of all their versions. I think it was this one. Or was it the pink one? It was either the red or pink. Yes. Whose era did you think this was? I could literally not tell you. Like, they all crushed it in different ways. Let me zoom in for that pic. Like, this style on her, this version, amazing. That necklace is iconic. I can't believe they all wore such big heeled boots. That's so crazy to me. I'd be tripping. Like, I have to give props to them. This is cute. The heart cutout photos. Yes, the group photo at the end. And then the credits. Yeah. I think this is a mini poster. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Oh, another mini poster. Oh, it's the same one. Oh. So what's this? Okay. Looks like a sticker, but it doesn't feel like it. Oh my gosh, the cat! I love that. Okay, so let's see who I pulled. Oh, wow. Oh, her nails. Ooh. Love that. Okay, so thank you for watching me unbox Twice's Formula Unlove file version. Like if you want, subscribe if you want, and yeah.